Ever wondered if you could actually grow your money just by letting it sit there, almost like planting an acorn and watching it grow into a mighty oak? That's the promise of microinvesting, and Acorns is one of the biggest names in that space. But the burning question on everyone's mind is Acorns free? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We live in a world where financial literacy isn't always taught in school, and investing can seem intimidating, reserved for Wall Street gurus in fancy suits. But the truth is, investing can be accessible to everyone, even if you're starting with just a few dollars. That's where apps like Acorns come in, simplifying the process and making it easy to get started. They offer a user-friendly interface, automated investing, and even educational resources. But all these perks come at a cost, right? Well, that's what we need to unpack. Before we jump into the pricing structure, let's talk a little bit about what Acorns actually is. It's a micro-investing platform that allows you to invest spare change. Imagine you buy a coffee for $3.50 and you round up to $4. That extra 50 cents can be invested. Acorns does this through what they call roundups. You link your debit or credit cards, and every purchase you make gets rounded up to the nearest dollar. Those roundups are then invested in a diversified portfolio of ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. Now, the term free is a tricky one, especially when it comes to finances. Often, there are hidden fees, or free really means a limited trial. So, let's be crystal clear, Acorns is not completely free. They operate on a subscription model, meaning you pay a recurring fee to use their services. There's no free version with limited features. Acorns offers different tiers of subscriptions, each with varying costs and benefits. Understanding these tiers is crucial to determining if Acorns is the right fit for you. They have three main tiers: Personal, Personal Plus, and Premium. The Personal tier is their most basic offering. It includes the core features of Acorns, like roundups, automated investing, and access to their Found Money program, which gives you cashback rewards when you shop at participating merchants. However, this tier comes with a monthly fee. It's not a huge amount, but it's important to factor it into your budget. Then there's Acorns Personal Plus. This tier builds upon the Personal tier and adds some extra features. You get access to Acorns Later, which allows you to open a retirement account, IRA, directly through the app. This is a significant benefit for long-term financial planning. Personal Plus also includes access to Smart Deposit, which helps you optimize your savings and investments. Naturally, this tier comes with a higher monthly fee than the Personal tier. Finally, we have Acorns Premium, their most comprehensive offering. This tier includes everything in the Personal Plus tier, plus a few extra bells and whistles. You get access to Acorns Checking, which is a checking account integrated with your Acorns investing account. You also get a debit card and access to personalized financial advice. Premium also includes higher earning potential with Found Money rewards. As you might expect, this tier has the highest monthly fee. So, to answer the initial question, no, Acorns is not free. It operates on a subscription model with different tiers, each with its own cost. The tier you choose will depend on your individual needs and financial goals. Now, is the cost worth it? That's a question only you can answer. Consider the features offered in each tier and how they align with your investment strategy. If you're just starting out and want to dip your toes into investing with spare change, the Personal tier might be a good fit. If you're serious about long-term financial planning and want to open a retirement account, Personal Plus or Premium might be more appealing. It's also crucial to compare Acorns to other micro-investing platforms and traditional brokerage accounts. There are other apps out there that offer similar services, and some may have lower fees. Do your research and compare the features and costs before making a decision. Don't just jump on the bandwagon because it's a popular app. Make sure it aligns with your financial goals and budget. Another thing to consider is the performance of the investments. While Acorns invests in diversified ETFs, past performance is not indicative of future results. The market can fluctuate, and there's always the risk of losing money. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. One of the biggest advantages of Acorns is its simplicity. It makes investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial knowledge. The Roundup feature is a clever way to automate your savings and investing without even thinking about it. It's like tricking yourself into saving. However, the fees can add up over time, especially if you're investing small amounts. If you're investing larger sums of money, a traditional brokerage account might be a more cost-effective option in the long run. Another potential drawback is the limited investment options. Acorns primarily invests in ETFs, which are a great way to diversify, but you don't have the same level of control over your investments as you would with a traditional brokerage account. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Acorns depends on your individual circumstances. Weigh the pros and cons, consider the fees, and compare it to other options before making a decision. Don't just take my word for it. Do your own research and make an informed choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.